Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about how to use Moz SEO software tool, and it is part number 5. And in the part number 1, we have learned about the domain authority, and then in the part number 2 video, we have learned about these two elements, and then in the part number 3, we have learned about this particular graph, and then in the last video, part number 4, we have learned about these 4 elements. And now finally in part number 5, we are going to continue with the new element, which is keyword ranking distribution. The number of keywords ranking in the search results within given ranges. What exactly does it mean? Now this particular graph is showing us how many keywords the Amazon website is ranking for in different spots on Google search results, and I want to break it down with examples in very simple English. Now when it comes to the spot 1 to 3, this particular spot saying that the website appears in the first, second and even the third position on Google for a lot of keywords. I want to give you an example. For example, if you are searching for buy books online and the Amazon website is in the top 3 spots on the Google search engine, and here we can see more than 5.1 million keywords ranks in this particular position. This is the best place to be because most people click on results at the top. Now quickly I want to move from 1 to 3 spot to 4 to 10 spot. We can say the bottom of the very first page of the Google search engine results page, and these are the keywords where the website shows up between 4th and 10th position on Google. And I want to give you an example one more time. Maybe if you are searching this time for cheap headphones, again the Amazon website is appearing maybe as the 6th result, and here we can see around 3.7 million keywords ranks here. These are still good positions, right? But even not as popular as the top 3, but still hold a very good grip on the very top of the Google search engine results page. I mean the very first page of the Google search engine results page. And now I want to talk about the 11 to 20 position, the second page of Google. Maybe this time we are searching something like best wireless chargers. Again in the second page of Google, the Amazon might show up as the 15th result or maybe 16th result. So whatever the websites that lies in the second page of the Google, there are chances that these websites will get fewer clicks. And beyond that, I can say 21 to 30. These keywords rank further down, right? Maybe in the 3rd page or 4th page or even the 5th page of Google. Maybe if you are searching this time for eco-friendly notebooks, again Amazon might show up on the 25th result or maybe 40th result, something like that. And very few people click on the results because it is so far from the first page. And from the entire graph we can understand that the top 3 positions are the best because they get the most attention and clicks. Imagine that we are on a busy street and we want to do the shopping. So what we do, whatever the first shop that we see, maybe we attract to that, right? This position is like that. Maybe imagine for our click and capture studio, if this particular website lies either in the 2nd page or 3rd page or 4th page, if we want more traffic, then we have to try improving our rankings for the keywords, so that we can move from these positions directly to this position. It will take definitely a little bit of time because our website is very new website and we have to work a lot on this website just to bring it to the top 3 positions. I hope you clearly understand about the keyword ranking distribution, and now I want to scroll down a little bit, and here I want to talk about top search competitors. This particular chart is showing us the top search competitors, and these are the websites that rank for similar keywords as the main website. And here the main website is Amazon, right? And I want to explain this step by step and it will be very interesting. Now here on the left side we can see the domains, the website or section of website competing with similar search terms, and here we can see amazon.com, hiring.amazon.com, read.amazon.com and etc. Even different sections or subdomains of Amazon's own site is competing with the main domain, and that's the beauty of Amazon. And quickly I want to show you one example. I want to pick Flipkart as an example so that you can clearly see the competitors of Flipkart. Now in the Moz website we have entered Flipkart, and then I want to scroll down till the bottom where I would like to see the top search competitors for the Flipkart. And here we can see for the Flipkart, the competitors are not the subdomains of Flipkart. There is only 2 subdomains. One is here and the other one is here. We can see the competitor of Flipkart is Amazon, gadgets360.com, 91 mobiles, cashify.in and so on. These are the competitors of Flipkart. But when it comes to Amazon, we can see all the subdomains of Amazon except Wikipedia. And maybe in a while I'll tell you why the Wikipedia is coming onto the competitor of Amazon. Now quickly I want to talk about the domain authority. It is the score, right, from 1 to 100, and clearly it is showing that how much strong and trustworthy the Amazon website is for search engines, and all these domains have high domain authority, mostly 96 and 97, which means they are very strong. And finally, coming to the visibility, all we have to remember that whatever the score that we are seeing here, we have to remember that higher visibility means the site appears more often on search pages. Now when it comes to Amazon.com, it has a visibility score of 44.79, which means it appears a lot. Now when it comes to hiring.amazon.com, we can see the visibility score is only 2.5, which means it appears less often. And I want to give you an example here. Imagine that if someone is searching for buy books online, the main domain Amazon.com might show up as the first result. Maybe this time if someone searches for careers at Amazon, the subdomain hiring.amazon might appear in the top results. And then if someone is searching for self-publish a book, maybe there are chances that kdp.amazon.com, Kindle Direct Publishing, it might rank higher. So what we have to understand here, Amazon has many subdomains competing for similar or specific searches like hiring, reading or selling. And also now I will talk about the Wikipedia. It is an unrelated website, right, to Amazon, but still it is appearing on the top search competitors. Why? Sometimes the Wikipedia may also rank for related keywords because it provides the historical information about the Amazon as a company, and that is the reason it is listed on the top search competitors for Amazon. And always remember, whenever we are seeing a company's own subdomains compete with each other for some search terms, we can call it as internal competition. And it is most common for large websites like Amazon because it will have multiple sections. And just to dominate the search results, the Amazon will ensure their subdomains are optimized for specific audiences. For example, customers, job seekers, or others. I hope you clearly understand about the top search competitors, and if you have any questions on this particular topic, either it can be related to keyword ranking distribution or maybe related to top search competitors, I want you to comment down right below my video. I will read each and every one of your questions and then I will answer each and every one of your questions for sure. And by the way, if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel where I have did 100 plus videos. You can find all the videos in the playlist digital marketing. It will be short and simple. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.